So we're here with another reggae boy fan. Right outside of the bleachers. You know where it go. First of all, how you feeling after today's game?
Yeah, man, so I feel great after a 2-0 deficit and come back. You see me? Would have liked the clincher, but it never worked that way, but we're still grateful.
Who are your man of the match?
Well, my man of the match.
Yeah.
Jano, that's a tough one, because all of the Jamaican them work hard, but we have got Andre Blake still.
Andre Blake,
because
as
he
in
make some pivotal saves.
Yeah. So what about Demar Gray scoring yet another goal for the national team? How do you feel about his introduction to the program?
Well, his introduction has shown his quality and how quality can influence the team. You know what I mean? The introduction of Demar Gray has definitely brought Jamaica to the forefront in CONCACAF, at least.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I say?
And talk to us about the weak points. Like, where do you think we went wrong in conceding these first 2 goals?
You know, I can't speak on that because I came in the second half. When the second half started.
So basically, the way I try to say, you will bring the good vibes.
You know how I go on. So I came in the second half, so I can't talk on that.
And then in October, we play 2 more games. What do you think we have to do to improve to get good results in October?
You know, so that's chemistry. We need more chemistry. I don't see nothing else but more chemistry. And Boza, I need more from you because you're a big striker. I'm a fan of Boza, Shaman Nicholson. We need more from you. Yeah.
The man look right into the camera and said, alright, thanks for talking to us.
Yeah, man, give thanks for life. Yeah, brother.
Yeah.